Now I will cover here left outer join, right? So how left outer join works. So this is another type of join operation, and this join returns all the rows from the left hand table specified on the on condition only those rows from the other table where the join fields are equal, right? So here actually how left outer join operation works here. The left outer join operation selects the records from all the records from the left table, right? And only the record those are matching the equijoin condition from the right table. So if you visualize this left outer join operation, right? So what will be the result of the left outer join operation? It will select all the records from the table 1, right? Even though it is not matching the join condition, right? Left outer join operation will return the records from the table 1, even though it is not matching the condition. Means all the records, those are matching the condition also, and those are not matching the condition also. But it will return only the records from the table 2, those are matching the condition, right? Our join condition. So here is the syntax for the left outer join. Select columns from both the tables, right? If it is required in the result from table 1. After table 1, you can mention here left join. Outer word is optional here. Then after mentioning left join, you can write down table 2, right? On table 1 column equal to table 2 column. If you observe, student, this syntax is similar to the inner join operation, only left join word we are using instead of inner join operation. Again, here we are mentioning the join condition. Why? Because this is the extended version of the inner join operation, right? So this left outer join not only retrieve the record those are matching this join condition, but also additionally it retrieves the record from the left table those are not matching this join condition, right? Here if you take the example of the employee database, right? And if you want to join the employee table with the department table, right? And if you want to display the information of all the employee along with the department details, right? Some of the employee may not have department, right? Some of the employee, for example, our admin people, those are helping in the student section, don't have any department. So, but even though they don't have department, I want to display their details in the result, right? So with the help of left outer join operation, I want to perform this operation, right? So left outer join operation will display employee, all the employees available in the employee table along with the department details of the employee those are having department, right? So here we see the examples, same example here in the solution, that is supplier and order details, right? So here you can also, again I'm repeating here, the left outer join returns all the records from the table 1 and only those records from the table 2 that intersect with the table 1, right? So you can note down, student, this. So many times you need such type of operation also on the database, right? As per your application requirement, right? So here is the example, right? So here my example, same example, only instead of inner join, I will use here left outer join, right? So select supplier dot supplier ID, supplier dot supplier name, order dot order date from suppliers, left outer join orders on suppliers dot supplier ID equal to orders dot supplier ID. If you observe, this solution is same as the previous query, only here we are using the left outer join, right? So what will be the result of this, right? You know, this is my supplier table with the 4 suppliers, IBM, HP, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and there are 2 orders only, right? So here, but in the order table, right? So here the left outer join will return here the all the records from the supplier table. Here assume there are only 2 records in the order table, right? So this supplier 1000 and 1001 is associated with these 2 orders, right? So here my left outer join will return all the records of the supplier table, right? So there are 4 records in the supplier table, right? But these 2 only associated with the orders, right? 00 and 001. But even these 2 are not associated, right? 2 and 3 suppliers are not associated with any of the order. I want to display the supply details, right? So left outer join will retrieve these 2 reports also by filling the null values in the order date. Why null values are there in the order date? Because these 2 suppliers are not associated with any order, right? So this data, if you want to retrieve, that is all the supplier details along with the order date, right? But these 2 suppliers don't have any order, and that's why my left outer join will fill here null values, right? So this is my left outer join operation, right? So So it is the combination of inner join and the join of the left table, right? All the records, right? Then similarly here, right, alternative syntax for the left outer join operation is available in Oracle. This alternative syntax is not available in the MySQL, right? So you can also practice this syntax. So here, the same query you can write using alternative syntax, select supplier.supplier ID, supplier.supplier name, order.order date from supplier orders, where supplier ID equal to order ID and plus. So this plus syntax, plus symbol in the syntax indicate the left outer join operation, right? So not only it will retrieve all the join condition records, right, intersect record, but also additional records of the supplier table, right? So this is my left outer join operation. I hope student you are clear with this. Right outer join I will cover in next video. Thank you.